by 3 power minus 2. So this becomes 1 divided by 3 power 2. That is 1 by 9. That is the answer. If anybody got a different answer, please verify this.
2269.
Yeah. Now, if you look at what did I do? Did I do anything fancy? Like what is doing right now? Don't do that. So, what did I do? I had this number, radical exponent. I converted that into rational exponent. That's it. This one, I had a negative power. I said, okay, I'll deal with it. I kept on delaying the plan. I kept it here. This one was again a rational exponent, so that was fine. I just wrote it as is. In the next step, I have to find all the bigger numbers. I have to convert to smaller numbers. 16 became 2 to the power 4, 4 became 2 to the power 2. Now it's a same formula, x to the power a to the power b gives me x to the power a times b with the exponents. And we applied that, simplified these two, and what we got is here. Yeah, Dikshita.
Why did you like cross out 2 on like the bottom?
These two? See, look at this.
Other side.
Yeah, so here 16 was 2 to the power 4, and on the in the back.
It's not that side. It's like the other.
These two?
Yeah, that one. Yeah.
So I did not do that here. I corrected it, okay? It became 2 to the power 1 by 2 to the power 1. So 2 to the power 1 is nothing but 2, and this 2 to the power 1 is also 2. I could have struck it off here itself, but I simplified it and then I did tic-tac-toe.
Okay, sir.
So same thing, became 3 power minus 2, which is 1 by 9. And most of you were getting a different answer, right? Yeah, Yadvik.
I realized my answer. I thought 16 by 1 by 4 was 4.
No. So again, that's where there's a small correction I keep on asking you guys. That don't assume. Question yourself, challenge yourself, do it. So if I go from here to here, see what did I do? Did I jump the step? I did not. I'm going a sequence. 4th root of 16 gave me 16 to the power 1 by 2, 1 by 4. I did not conclude anything, I did not jump the gun. So that is why it was in my control. If I jump multiple steps, I tend to miss something. Yeah, this I'll come to you. Yeah, tell you that. Yeah, Dikshita, go ahead.
So in the bottom you got 1 times 3 negative 2, right?
1 times 3 power minus 2. Yeah.
No, like in the bottom 1 times 3 negative 2.
1 times 3 negative 2. Yeah, correct.
How did you get 1 there?
So 1 is a luxury, okay? If I have, let's say 15. I can say 15 times 1. Yes? That option I always have. I knew that there is a problem in the making. Okay? I have 3 power minus 2. And I knew that this is going to become 3 to the power 2. But what is in the numerator? That would have become confusing. So that's why I purposefully added a 1 here, so that when this guy moves downward, my 1 makes it look real. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now, there was a question saying how this movement happens. So this part is clear, right? Everybody could validate their answer with what I did, right?
Yes, sir.
If you think I made a mistake, correct me, help me correct. If you think you missed something, correct your answer. Yep. But I will not let you guys correct my answer because this one is right. I have gone step by step, okay? Unless I am overlooking something. Alright. So now the question, one key question here was that if I have x to the power minus 3, it becomes 1 by x to the power 3. Or if I have 1 by x, let's say x power minus 2, I can write this as x power 2. Why? Do you guys remember? Why the power changes from positive to negative or vice versa? By moving it from numerator to denominator or vice versa. Yep, yeah, Advik.
Because it's the opposite of the of -3. Since you're doing it in reverse.
No, no, no. Yeah, Dikshita, you had a question too? Yeah, Dikshita, you have raised your hand. Ask your question.
So you got 1 times 3 by -2 is equal to 1 by 32, right?
No, 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 never. So let me do this way. 1 times 3 to the power minus 2. This becomes 1 by 3 to the power 2. And 3 to the power 2 is nothing but 9. 3 to the power 2 is 3 times 3. That is 3 times 3 is 9.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now, the question here is, why this, there is a song also, why this collaboration? Who all knows that song? Yeah, everyone. Have you heard the collaboration song? Yeah, tell me. Yeah, everyone, you are asking something. Unmute yourself.
Yes.
Yeah. What is the question? You have raised your hand, that's what I'm asking.
No, I said I heard that song.
I heard that song, okay. So, anyways, the, so, 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 yeah, no, so that song is has nothing intelligent, nothing fancy about it, but it's a very catchy one. But we'll not get diverted. Okay, let's focus on what we're trying to focus on. So I was asking, if I have x to the power minus 3, it becomes 1 by x to the power 3. How? I feel cold. Okay. Do you know how? Who can explain this to me? See, these are very tiny mathematical tricks. Yeah, Nirut.
Because x to the power minus 3 is it's the reciprocal of x. It's the reciprocal of x to the power 3.
It is correct. English wise. If I ask you maths wise, what happens?
I don't know.
So see, these are tiny tricks, okay? Everybody knows anything to the power 0 is 1. But why? How? I have proved that in one of the classes before. So, anyways, we'll come to that. So let's look at these two. X to the power minus 3 is equals 1 by x to the power 3. Why? This is exponents. Everybody agrees this is exponent, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Anirudh, you are saying something?
No, my bad. My understanding.
That's okay. That's okay. So, if I have x to the power minus 3, everybody agrees that it's the value of this will be 1 by x to the power 3. If everybody agrees, president is selected. No need to vote. But yeah, it is not election. Or if I have 1 by x to the power minus 2, this will be equal to x power 2. All this looks fine if you want to memorize this. But we don't want to. I don't want you guys to memorize anything. I want you guys to play, practice and enjoy. PPE. Play, practice and enjoy. Like TRAN, a new acronym has taken birth today. That's called PPE. Math is all about play, practice and enjoy. Okay? PPE. Anyways, this is the distraction. Yeah, Arav.
Is that PPE for TRAN?
Forget about it. That is not in syllabus. That was just a commercial break in between. Okay. Now coming back to why this equals this. Now look at this. This is what we want to prove, but why? look at this. If I have x to the power minus 3, can I write this as x to the power 0 minus 3? Do you guys agree? Yeah, everybody? Now that means x to the power 0 minus 3. I can write this. Now look at this. This is the classic case of exponents division. X to the power a divided by x power b gives me x to the power a minus b. Right? I have x to the power a minus b. This is my a. So that means this equals x to the power 0 divided by x to the power 3. Look at, compare with this one. X to the power a divided by x to the power b equals x to the power a minus b. Yep. Now x to the power 0 is 1 by x to the power 3. What happened? You had x to the power minus 3. This became this. The reciprocal thing, inversion thing, whatever you call it. But why? Are you able to relate it now? Again, look at this. X to the power minus 3, I can write this as x to the power 0 minus 3. Same thing, right? Minus 3 is 0 minus 3. Yeah? Minus 2 is 0 minus 2. Correct? Anirudh, are you with me?
Yes.
So x to the power minus 3 I am saying as x to the power 0 minus 3. Fine. Now, this is x to the power a minus b, which is nothing but my division formula for exponents. X to the power a divided by x to the power b gives me x to the power a minus b. So x to the power a minus b is nothing but x to the power a divided by x to the power b. This is x to the power a, nothing but x to the power 0. A to the power 0 is 1. So instead of doing all this drama and circus, we all memorize that this is the answer. But conceptually, if you want to relate, this is how it is. Now, I told you guys x to the power 0 is 1. Any number in the world, be it a 1, be it a 0.02, be it 10 billion, to the power 0 is 1. Except 0. When 0 to the power 0, this will not be 1. But anything else to the power 0 will be equal to 1. But why? But why? Does anybody know how to prove that? I have tried explaining that in one of the classes before. All I remember you had asked this question to me. If you remember, in one of the class you had asked me.
I know. Everything that equals to 0 is 1. Even infinity.
No, okay. Don't go that far. I'm saying I had proved this one, that any variable or any number to the power 0 gives you a 1, except that number is not 0 itself. And I had proved that in one of the class when you had asked me. Now I'm asking you guys, can you tell me why this is the case? It is all again related to exponents, okay? So everybody pay attention for 2 minutes, okay? This will be done in 2 minutes. It will not take more than that. It's again the same exponents rule. Remember this. If I have x to the power 0, can I say this as x to the power 2 minus 2? Do you guys agree? Yeah? Or can I say x to the power 0 equals, or can I represent this as x to the power 3 minus 3? Can I represent this as x to the power 100 minus 100? Anything I can pick, right?
Yeah.
Anirudh, are you with me?
Yes.
Is this making sense so far? So x to the power 0, I can say that x to the power 2 minus 2 or 3 minus 3, whatever I feel like. I can choose any number. So let's choose a smaller number because small is better. Now here, now this is x to the power a minus b. Again, x to the power a minus b is nothing but x power a by x power b. That means x to the power 2 divided by x to the power 2. which means x to the power 2 is nothing but x into x. X into x. Divide by x square, again x into x. Yeah. Let me write a 1 here just for making life easier. Yeah. I can write x as x into 1, right? That's fine. Now we'll do tic-tac-toe. This gone. This x and this x gone. What is remaining? Yeah. So tomorrow, see, everybody in the world knows any number to the power 0 is 1. Not even 5% of the population can prove this. And you are among those 5% who can prove it hereafter. Yes, Arav.
So, what if it's, like the, what do you call it?
What is that?
The square root, well, what if it's the square root of 0 by 5?
So, think about the question, tell me. Because when I teach you guys strand, I practice strand. So I have zero doubt about my own trust for being able to solve it, okay? Tell me the question again one more time. Or
0 to square root of 5.
0 to the
Square root of 5.
fifth root, that's what you're saying?
Yeah.
Why you want to waste energy for this?
Oh, no. I mean 0 like to the left and 5 to the right.
Like this? What does 0th root mean? Now look at this. If I have a 2 here, let's say, this is what you are seeing. If I have a 2 here, what does it become? 5 to the power 1 by 2. So this number goes in the denominator. Yeah? You have 5, 0th root. What does it mean? It becomes 5 to the power 1 by 0. What are you talking about? 5 to the power infinity. Where will you get? Right? So again, no harm in this question I'm saying, but I had not solved this problem in the past. I had not come across this problem in the past, okay? Maybe I did not study well. But then, since I know the concepts, I'm just applying it. And it gets me there. So, see, when I was asking why will you do that, the intention was not to put you on the spot, but to make you think that if you are dealing with this, what does it actually mean? 0th root of a number, what does it mean? Second root means square root. Third root means cube root. Fourth root means fourth root. 0th root. If you talk about infinitieth root, what does it mean? Do you actually come across that situation ever? Probably not. That's a non-realistic scenario. That's why this will give you a non-realistic answer. Alright? But again, mathematically, this is what the interpretation would be. Yeah? That brings us to the end of the class. Good that we did not learn anything new. But